Well, it's that time of year again. Stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around today. Today we're talking about something you probably received in the mail here recently, and you probably have a few questions about it. Yeah, I'm talking about that new tax bill. And if you closed on a home this year, you're probably wondering why you received this. And one of the biggest questions I get from my clients is, why am I receiving the full bill for this tax year? Well, if you'll look back on your closing documents, you'll see where the sellers credited you their prorated tax amount from January 1 up until the day you closed. So technically, they've already paid their portion of the taxes at closing. Now keep in mind, those taxes were based off the previous tax year for that home, because the taxes weren't out yet, because it's just now October, so the taxes are just now coming out. So yes, you are responsible for that full tax bill. If you have any questions about that, contact your agent or the local appraisal district. Now, once you've received that tax bill, your next questions are usually, how do I get a tax exemption and when can I do that? So you're in luck. January 1's just around the corner, and that's when you can file for those tax exemptions. Now, if you'll check below in the comments, I'll put a link to one of the forms you can fill out and take it to your local appraisal district. You can also just Google your county appraisal district, go in there, search for tax exemptions. You'll be able to find this same form. Now, in that form, you're going to see a lot of different tax exemptions that you may or may not qualify for. Just make sure you qualify for them. All right, I know taxes are always fun, but I hope this information helps you out. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. You ever just shoot an entire video and realize you didn't have the microphone on? Well, take 12.